Hi, my name is Lacey McCandless, and welcome to my how-to video over Kahoot. The intended audience for this video is teachers looking to add more collaboration and more competitive fun to their digital space. Kahoot is joyful. Students really enjoy it when they get to play through a Kahoot, and it brings fun competition into a learning environment. One of the major goals of Round Rock ISD, while we are in this digital space, is to continue to meet the social and emotional needs of our students. Kahoot offers the opportunity to allow students to engage in sportsmanship and competition in a healthy way. I'm now going to show you how to create a Kahoot quiz step by step. Once you log into Kahoot, you're going to have an option to start a new quiz. Once you've chosen to start a new quiz, it's as simple as typing in a question at the top. What is a plant? After you have your question, you come in and offer some answer choices. So, a dog, perhaps? Is a dog a plant? An organism that uses photosynthesis, an organism, that hunts its food, or perhaps it is a type of rock that is normally green. I then tell Kahoot which answer is the correct answer, and if I would like to customize this further, I can either upload an image from my computer. I can even upload images instead of text for the answer choices. The images in the image library are premium images, so they are not currently available in the free version of Kahoot. I can continue to add questions until I am satisfied that I have a good number of questions and all of my answer choices have been filled in. I would recommend about 10 to 15 questions for a 20-minute game. Once you are done editing your answer choices and you have everything entered that you would like to enter, you simply select Done, enter the Kahoot title. Let's do McCandless Trial. All right, and then your students can play through the Kahoot. It's as simple as that. So students join the Kahoot by entering the game pin on their device. Now this is really useful in the digital space because students should already be on their own devices, and you can simply present this. Kahoot is a fun and engaging way for students to go through basic questions over different materials that the teacher has predetermined. I'm going to mute this so that I can continue to present. I have selected the ISTE standards for education leaders. Kahoot meets the standard for Leader 5A, which is use emerging technology for education, and 5C. It allows us to reflect on our practices to make sure that we're providing good educational opportunities. This was Kahoot. My name is Lacey McCandless, and thank you so much.